Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Engineer Cinco from CLNP. Okay, today's guys, our subject is still solid mensuration, but our topic today is related to um, Presame geometry. Okay, so Presame. Okay, so now I am discussing to you regarding this geometry, Prism on how to solve the volume and the surface area of this particular geometry. Now, let me draw the diagram for the prism, okay? This is the slant height. This one is the altitude or the vertical height, okay? This one is the area of the base, okay? And there is also some surface area along this area perpendicular, okay, to the base. So the volume for this prism, okay, V is equal to volume, guys, ha? Uh, the product of area of the base, okay, times the altitude, okay, and the surface area is equal to perimeter of the base times the slant height, okay, where AB is equal to the area of the base or base area, okay, and then this one area of this particular section, okay, A perpendicular is equal to area of the right section, okay, area of the right section, okay, in AS, okay, is equal to surface area, okay, and L, okay, is equal to slant height, okay, okay, and then H is the altitude or height, altitude, okay, and this PQ perimeter of the right section. Okay, perimeter of the right section. Okay, and V is the volume of the prism. Okay, you guys, as you can see here, in this particular geometry prism, the area, the surface area for this particular prism is the product of the perimeter of the right section P sub k times the slant height. Okay, the perimeter of the right section times the slant height is the surface area of the prism. And also the equation for the volume is the product of the area of the base times the vertical height or the altitude. So take note these two equation, guys. Okay, these are the basic two equation on how to solve the volume and surface area of a prism geometry. Okay, so I hope you understand our first topic regarding prism. Okay, next topic will be 6. Okay, truncated prism. Okay, truncated prism. Truncated prism. Okay. So let me draw, guys. Okay, guys. So this is a typical schematic diagram or drawing for a truncated prism. Okay. Now, in this particular geometry, we need to find how to solve the volume of this truncated prism. Okay. The equation for the volume, okay, V is equal to the volume is equal to area of the base or E sub B, okay, E sub B over 3, okay, times the summation of all the heights, the summation of all the vertical heights. So h1 plus h2 plus h3. Okay, so this is the basic equation for how to solve the volume of a truncated prism. Okay, take note for this, guys, where AV, this section is equal to the base area of the base, or base area, okay, and H1 is equal to first height. Okay. First height. It's 2. Second height. It's 3. Third height. Okay. So this is the formula, guys, on how to solve the volume by truncated prism. Now next is we need to discuss the other prism, which is called the rectangular prism. Okay. So let me write here. Okay. Number 7. Rectangular prism. Okay. So the diagram will be okay. So this is the typical diagram for a rectangular prism. Okay. H1 will be H2, H3, and this one is the H4. H4. Okay, and this is the area of the base. Okay. So the standard equation on how to solve the volume of a rectangular pressure it goes like this. Okay. Volume is equal to again area of the base over 4 times the summation of all the heights. Okay. H1 plus H2 plus H3 plus H4. Okay. Where again AB to the base area, this one, the base area. Okay, this is the AB base area, and H1 or H, okay, V is equal to the volume of prism. Okay, H is equal to the summation, okay, of all the heights, summation of all the vertical heights. Okay, so this is the standard equation, guys, on how to solve the volume of a rectangular prism. So again, you have to take note for this formula. Okay, volume will be area of this base. Okay, this area portion divided by 4 times the summation of all the heights. Okay, H1 plus H2 plus H3 is called plus H4. Okay, so I hope, guys, you understand this lesson regarding for a prism. Okay, so next video, guys, I'm giving you some example problem related to this prism geometry. Okay, so kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our video so that you will be notified for our incoming example problems related to this prism geometry. So thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice day.